Anthony, a lot of our clients are business owners, and how does that impact the divorce?
There are at least two ways that, with respect to a business owner going through a divorce, that the business will have special implications in how the divorce is resolved. The first way is in support in the calculation of income, specifically as it relates to the tax returns. Often, the tax returns do not paint the full financial picture of the business. For example, a tax return might show a lot of profit, but that business owner, due to the financials of the business, isn't actually able to take all the profits out of the business, and the distributions will be lower. The support code considers that. Another way is possibly the tax return does not show a lot of income, does not show a lot of profit. However, there are ways for the business owner to be taking income and cash flow out of the business. In that context, the income would be higher than that's shown on the tax return.
And then what if the couple or one spouse owns the business? How does that impact the divorce part of it?
So now I think you're talking about the division of assets and debts. And in Pennsylvania divorce, a business that is started by either spouse or the spouses jointly, unless it's otherwise excluded, will be a marital asset subject to division. Additionally, if one of the spouses has a business before marriage and was formed before the parties were married, the increase in value of that business would be considered for equitable distribution purposes and subject to division. So, Susan, what are some of the ways that an expert or a financial professional can assist a business owner going through a divorce?
Anthony, we often will retain an expert to help us in two ways. We do a disposable income analysis for the business owner because, as you mentioned earlier, the tax return is not always reflective of the actual income of the client. So the expert will look at all of the underlying income information and come up with what is that spouse's income available for support purposes. But then also they will do a business valuation, and for, again, the divorce part of it, determine the value of the business when we're dividing the property.